I wanted to give you some instructions on how to teach your dog how to happily wear an e-cone. So an e-cone is something you might need for your dog when they get spayed or neutered, or maybe to prevent them from licking a part of their body. And most people just throw the cone on the dog, or the vet does, and they just have to deal with it. But it's something that can be aversive to the dog, and so I think it's important to teach your dog step by step how to be more comfortable with it. Now, this is going to be not a full tutorial because Norby just started learning, and I'm showing you through his eyes how he feels about it. He normally loves to wear things. He is open to trying new things, but he wasn't ready to put this on right away. So your first step is to find whatever device you want to use. They make cute little flowery ones. They make this plastic one. Your vet has probably a more basic version. They even have ones that are inflatable. So whatever you're going to use, I say just teach the dog how to find it enjoyable. So here I'm going to show you step by step by just presenting the cone, letting the dog interact with it. Try to avoid using their toes. I found that Norby got stuck in the little circles. If your dog is super sensitive, you can open it up flat and just put food on it or let the dog engage with it. We want to go at their pace. He went pretty quickly, but he wasn't willing to just wear it, so that's okay. We'll keep working on it. Even though I don't have anything scheduled for him that he's going to need one, I do want to make sure that he's comfortable in it. So once you have the device you want to use, whether it's just a plastic one or something a little more fancy, what you're going to do is just set it out near you. I know, he's ready to do more. And let your dog explore it. Any interaction gets them a yes or a click if you're using a clicker. And then I send the food a little bit away, so that way the dog has to come back to the object. That helps them repeat it versus just giving it to them when they're nearby. So I put it like this first. It's more stable. Let the dog, interact with it with their nose, stick their nose in it. That's even better. And then I also turned it and let him explore it in this fashion as well. Then reward for that and then continue the process. Now that he's to the point that he's cool with it, he doesn't mind it being around, then I can hold it up and let the dog, I don't care which way they go in, I just want them to find it enjoyable because it sounds different when they're in there. It feels different. It's going to touch their ears if they have ears that are up. So I want them just exploring it, and they're going to get a yes or a click and give them a treat each time because I want this to equal something awesome. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Careful. Yes. Good boy. Yes. 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 Good boy. Yes. 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 Very good boy. Very nice work. Good boy. Yes. 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 Very good boy, Rockstar. Nice work, kiddo. Yes. Yes. Treats, huh? These yum-yums? Yes. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good. Very nice. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Nice. Good boy. Yes. Very good. Yes. Excellent. Very good job. You're so good. Yes. 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 Good boy. You're so cute. Very good. Nice. Very good. Go get it. Once Storby was comfortable exploring it when I was holding it, when it was on the ground, going to it in different directions, I then opened it up and I let him come through and stick his head through this way. So he just came in because he was a little unsure of this touching his body. Understandable. And so I just let him come in several times for that way. I also turned it upside down, so he had to come in at a different angle so he could see what it was going to feel like, what it was going to be like around his neck. I also did a little bit of movement around his neck because I noticed he started becoming a little unsure when it started moving. It also makes a little noise because of the kind I have, because eventually what I need to do, because of the size that I have for him, I need to be able to put it around his neck and then slowly, just one clip, click these into place so that it's around his neck. What I would do next, if I could get it around his neck, is I was going to have him wear it and feed him and then let him do some tricks with it on, like I would with any other equipment I'm introducing to a dog, whether it's a muzzle, collar, harness. Some dogs are more sensitive to that kind of equipment. So I would just say, hey, could you walk around in this? Could you sit in it? And I'm going to reward it the entire time. At any point the dog feels unsure, I'm going to get it off as quickly and safely as I can so that it's not a big deal. If I had a larger cone, I would use that as well so that the dog can go in and out of it and not even feel like it's on them. They could get it off themselves, because it's not about keeping it on and making them get used to it. It's about them loving it. So that way when I get the cone out, they're like, yeah, we're gonna have treats. It's gonna be awesome. Even though we know it's for something that might be uncomfortable, right? So try this out. If you have any questions, please make a note down below. I'd be happy to chat with you about your dog learning how to wear a cone, the cone of shame. Yes, good job. Yes, good job. Yes, good boy. Good. Yes. Sweet, you're doing good. Yes. Yes, good boy. Yes, good job. Very nice. Good boy. Nice. I know. Yes. Yes, good boy. Good job. Yes, good boy. Yes, good. Okay, okay. Good boy. Yes, good job. No? Nothing? Yes, good job. Nice. Good boy. Oh, yes, good boy. Yes, very nice. Good boy.